and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we're here with another yoga block workout, and today we are going to be doing some push-ups. So if you are ready, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so to begin, we are going to place two of our yoga blocks on top of each other. If you only have one, that's fine. You can just place it up like this or even up like that. So we are going to begin with some regular push-ups here. We're just going to be doing 30 seconds. And we are going to do some beginner push-ups. So have your arms on either side of the block. Your blocks are going to be right underneath your chest. And we are going to be doing push-ups just down until the blocks hit the top of your chest. So we are preparing ourselves for some push-ups. This is good for if you don't do a lot of push-ups, because this will get you prepared for how low you need to go, just getting you used to pushing down and back up. If you want to take your push-ups all the way up onto your toes, you can do that as well, whatever you want to do. And keep going. Y'all got this. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come up, give your wrists a quick shake. We're going to be doing the same thing, except this time we are going to be doing tricep push-ups. So for this one, we're going to have our hands outside of the mat as well. So once again, when we come down, we just want to come down to just where the yoga blocks touch our chest. So if you just have one, you could have it up like this and just come down a little lower, or you could also put it up like this. However you want to do it, it's up to you. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, coming up, give your arms and your wrists a quick shake. Maybe do a quick little stretch here. Okay, next we are going to be doing some uneven yoga block push-ups. So we're only going to need one yoga block, so you can put the other one to the side. Let's go ahead and have our left hand on top of the block here, our right hand up to the side, and let's go ahead and come down for 30 seconds here. So coming down and pushing back up. So this really forces us to engage our core here to stabilize ourselves. So make sure that you are squeezing your core, squeeze those abs. And as always, make sure you are breathing the entire time here. So coming down and back up, and down and back up. Y'all got this here. We're working our shoulders. Y'all got this. So this creates a different angle. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, coming up once again. Shake out those wrists. We're going to move our yoga block now to right underneath our right hand here. So have your right hand on the block. And let's go ahead and come back down for uneven push-ups on this side. So coming down and back up, and down and back up. So this creates a little different angle for us, causes us to really work harder with those shoulders and those arms, adds a little different variation, and works those muscles in just a little different way than we would normally if we were doing regular push-ups. And once again, if y'all want to come on up onto your toes, y'all can do that as well. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, and for our last move, we're going to have those yoga blocks, put both of them back here, and we are going to be doing some tricep dips. So you can turn and face this way. And we just have 30 seconds of this here. So have your hands up on those blocks here. Come up into a little tabletop position. And let's come down for just 30 seconds here. So this is really working those triceps. So you can have your hands like how I have them here. Or if you need to turn those yoga blocks to the side, try and hold on this way. Or if you're not at a position where you can do these tricep dips, you can just simply hold here in a tabletop position to build up your strength. And keep going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of all of y'all. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment down below letting me know what you thought of this workout. And as always, be sure to subscribe if you are not already. And I look forward to seeing you on Friday. Bye.